Question 2 of this exercise says when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. So as we know that there are 6 numbers in a die. So these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 possible outcomes when we throw a die. Now let's move on to the first part. It says a prime number. So first of all, let us learn what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are having two factors, that are 1 and the number itself. So let's look into 1. 1 is not a prime number because it is having only one factor. 2 is a prime number because it has two factors. Similarly, 3 is a prime number. But when we look into 4, 4 is not a prime number because it is having more than two factors. So the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Let's look into B part. It says not a prime number. So 1 is not a prime number, 4 is not a prime number and 6 is not a prime number. Now let's move on to the second part. It says a number greater than 5. So a number greater than 5 is basically 6. Now let's move into the B part. A number not greater than 5. So a number that is not greater than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and even 5. 5 is not greater than 5. So these are the 5 possible outcomes of a number not greater than 5.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.